Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring the US University where they waive the GRE score, or you don't require GRE score for your master or PhD applicant. So around 67 universities are here which waive GRE, and some of university have already no requirement for GRE score. So we'll go to the list and one by one I will tell you the university name and specific information regarding their application for the specific program. That I will tell you the entire information. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So now we'll move on to the content. Our first university is University of Memphis. They are waiving the GRE and GMAT score for many of the graduate program and also accepting the Duolingo as their English proficiency test instead of IELTS and TOEFL. This English test is totally online, so it is easy to do. So these are the program in which a GRE score is not required currently: Arts and Science, Communication and Fine Arts, Education field, Professional and Liberal Study, Business and Economics, Management, Nursing, Health Science, Public Health and Social Work. So we'll go to the next one. Our next university is University of Florida. See here, the most of the art program at this university are offered without GRE, but for some it is necessary. So we'll go to the third one, Boston University. Boston University offer Master in Business Analytics and Master of Science in Computer Information System without GRE, while some program may request for GRE official score directly to the university. So our fourth one is University of Pittsburgh. This popular university rank high in the list of schools that don't require GRE at all for any program. So you can go through these universities. So fifth university is George Mason University. This is one of the top university in US which offer master program in health informatics system and civil engineering without GRE, while other program require the GRE. So our next one is Washington State University. This university offer few MS program without GRE, but some program it is mandatory to submit the score. So our seventh one is University of Cincinnati. The international student can study MS in Computer Science without GRE, but should be accredited from ABET accredited university or equivalent accreditation and have GPA of 3. Have the chance to attend the University of Cincinnati. Our eighth one is Illinois Institute of Technology. This university offer maximum all MS program without GRE and also the TOEFL waive for Indian student. So it is the best choice for a maximum students to apply. So we'll go to the next one, University of North Texas. This university offer MS in Data Science without GRE, but for some other program GRE is required. So our next one is University of Oklahoma. The most of the program at the University of Oklahoma are presented without GRE. So our next one is Northeastern University, that is in Boston. MBA and its equivalent program require GMAT. All other programs are available without GRE in this university. So next one is St. Joe's State University. Program in the field of biomedicals, anthropology, economics, public administration, math, civil, science, education, etc. are presented without GRE. So our next one is Florida International University. So except for MS program in computer science, cybersecurity, information technology, telecommunication and networking, all the remaining master program are provided without GRE score and is not waived under any circumstances. So next university is Oklahoma State University. This university offer Master in Biosystem and Agriculture Engineering without GRE, while other program at this university demand for GRE score. Next one is University of Idaho. GRE is mandatory for most of the program at the University of Idaho, but it offer master program in geology, computer science, architecture, material science and engineering, mathematics, philosophy, metallurgy, biological engineering, etc. without GRE. So next one is California State University, Sacramento. This university offer master program in arts, chemistry, child development, civil engineering, geology, kinesiology, marine science, mathematics, mechanical engineering, music, tourism program without GRE. Next one is Pace University, that is in New York City. This university offer MS program without GRE, almost all MS program. Next one is Villanova University, and this university offer MS in electrical engineering without GRE, beside considering GRE for some other program. Next is Sonoma State University, and this university is one of the popular school in California and that don't require GRE or GMAT. So next one is Wichita State University. Most of the program at this university are offered considering GRE score but offer MS in Chemistry, Computer Network, Electrical Computer Engineering and Biomedical University without GRE. So next one is University of the Pacific. The University of Pacific offers some other program considering GRE but offer MS in Data Science without GRE. So next one is Fairleigh Dickinson University. All the major graduate program are offered considering either GRE or GMAT but offer some program such as Master in Clinical Mental Health, Counseling, Communication, English, Hospitality, Public Administration without GRE. So next one is New England College. This college offer all graduate program without GRE requirement and popular program include Master of Science in Computer Information System and the Master of Science in Health Informatics. So next one is Harrisburg University of Science and Technology. This university offer MS in Biotechnology without GRE. All other master program are offered without GRE requirement. Next is California State University, Channel Island. In this university, it offers masters in computer science without GRE, while some other program may require GRE. Next is University of Bridgeport. This university considers GRE, but it offers MS in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and technology management program without GRE. Next one is Jacksonville State University. Besides some other program, this university offers free program such as MS in computer science without GRE. So next one is University of Central Missouri. This university offers MS in computer science without GRE, but some other program consider GRE score for application evaluation. Next one is Oklahoma State University. It offers master in accounting and its relevant field without GRE. Next one is Pace University, Westchester. GMAT is required for accounting, finance related program. All the remaining master program are offered without GRE. So these are the other university where the GRE is waived on some program or maybe all program or some few program. So you can go through these universities because I don't want to make this video long. That's why I just list out the name of university. You can go through this university and learn much more information through their website. So these are the list, and I already shared the information of 30 university and remaining I listed out. I'll tell you the entire name. See, the next one is National Louis University and Alliant International University, Point Park University, Ekpe University, Missouri Western State University, City University of Seattle, Concordia University, Texas, Revere University, Monroe College, Notre Dame de Namur University, Adler University, Chicago campus, Trine University. Next is Fisher College, and next one is Virginia International University, International Technological University, Montclair University, Stratford University, iGlobal University, Stevens Henniger College, Lewis University, Northeastern Illinois University, Colorado Technical University, Johnson & Wales University, University of New Haven, West Texas A&M University, Southeast Missouri State University, and next is DeVry University, Rowan University, University of Dayton, New Mexico State University, Kansas State University, Park University, University of Nebraska-Lincoln, Marymount California University, Westcliff University, Stephen Institute of Technology, and our last one is National University. So these are the list of the university. I hope this video will be helpful for you and you will get much more information regarding the university waiving the GRE score. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circle and other groups. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So we'll meet on the next part. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.